everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week I'll be showing you how to create this 1950s inspired makeup look. I love how classy and elegant this look is, and I think it'll be perfect for any sort of events you have, like graduations, parties, weddings, stuff like that. Anyway, really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. I post beauty, fashion, DIY, and travel videos every week to week and a half. And don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and leave some comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So start off by applying whatever primer, foundation, and concealer you'd like. Women of the 1950s liked a clean base that was more on the matte side. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the original Naked palette, and the first thing I'm going to do is take the shade Naked and apply that all over my lid so I have a nice base to work off of. Next, I'm going to take the shade Buck and apply that to my crease. The goal is to create an elongated eye shape, as women of the 1950s would do. As a side note, if you're feeling a little more colorful, feel free to use shades other than brown. Ladies of the 50s loved coordinating their eyeshadow with their outfits, so blues, violets, and greens were also really popular. I'll now be using this Fenty Beauty liquid liner to create the iconic 1950s cat eye. If you're looking for an earlier 50s look, you want a wing that's thinner and daintier, and if you're looking for a later 50s look, you want a wing that's bold and defined. I personally went for a later 50s look. For brows, I'll be using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. The brow shape of the 50s was a thicker brow that tapered toward the end and had a well-defined arch. And then to finish up with the brows, I'll be using this Eyelar Brow Gel to hold my brows in place and add more volume. For mascara, I'll be using the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, which is awesome by the way. After curling your lashes, you're going to want to apply a generous amount to your upper lashes only. As I mentioned earlier, women of the 1950s liked a more matte look, so I'll be taking CoverGirl's Clean Press Powder and applying that all over my face to set my makeup and get rid of any shine. For blush, I'll be using Milani's Romantic Rose, and I think this is the perfect shade. It's a really nice natural pink color with no shimmer. When applying this, you're going to want to apply it on your cheeks and bring it up to your temples. You also may want to put a little bit on your nose. Ladies of the 1950s liked a really natural looking flush. For lips, I'll be using Rimmel's Exaggerate Lip Liner in the shade Red Diva, and I'll be sticking to my natural lip shape. And if you're looking to extend the wear time of your lipstick, I would fully fill in your lips here. And to finish off the lips, I'll be using the Spike Cosmetic Lipstick in the shade Holly. This is my favorite shade of red. It's on the cooler side, so it's going to make your teeth look extra white. And here's the finished look! I hope you guys liked the video. I'll be doing a hair tutorial later, and I think I also might do a styling video, but let me know what you guys think. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!